Okay, students, today we are starting with the numerical session on the pH scale. Very important chapter and very important topic of this chapter. Okay, so I think it will take more than one session for completion of this numerical session. Okay, so let's take pH scale only. There are wide variety of the numericals. Okay, you will find plenty of type of numericals in pH scale only. So this is first question. Okay, so find pH of the following. Where we have already completed 6 lectures in the ionic equilibrium, where each part is separately dealt. Okay, so first question in the pH is find pH of 0.01 molarity H2SO4 and assuming complete dissociation or 100% dissociation. What you have to assume? 100% dissociation. Second one is 0.005, 0005. Okay, how many zeros? 0005 calcium hydroxide. Okay, every question there is a twist, so try to do it very carefully. As it is a first question, so if you are not able to do, don't get demoralized. I will explain. Then if I am explaining, then second question you may be able to solve, because second question also something different, third question something different, fourth question something different. Okay, but basic concept is same, but some changes are made in each and every question. Okay, if you observe the change by understanding the first question, then you will be able to solve all questions. Okay, so start it fast and then I will try to explain. After that you can cross check your answer. So here first part I am explaining, then you can use similar concept but not exactly same. Okay, so numerical session, first part of the pH scale with different models. Okay. So first question I am explaining, as most of you answered wrong. Okay. So here listen carefully. This is the first question. So don't be overconfident that we can do it everything. Okay. So H2SO4. Once you know the concept, then you can worry about the gives 2H plus SO4 2 negative. Okay, SO4 2 negative. This is the reaction. See here carefully. I have written single arrow. Why? Because 100% dissociation it is given. Okay, so it is 0.01 molarity. So this will be 0 and 0. Okay, after some reaction, after complete reaction, this is going to be 0. This is going to be 0 into 0.01 into 2, 0.01 into 2, and it is going to be 0.01 only. This 2 came from here. Okay, so this is going to be, we can write it as a 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, can we write it as a 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, now pH is equal to negative log of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2, because pH is negative log of H plus. So 2 minus log 2. Log 2 is how much? I have told you to attend. I have told you to attend that video lecture specially given for which topic? How to solve log without using log table. Okay. I hope you have done. If not done, at least do it today itself. Okay. So 2 minus log 2. So 2 minus log 2 is 0.3010. 2 minus log 2 is what? 0.3010. Okay, 0.3010. So this is going to be, if I take it as a 0.3, this is going to be 1.7 nearly. Otherwise 1.6990. Exact answer is 1.6990. Okay. First question, how to solve, is it understood? So as everywhere you find here complete dissociation, you can keep it as a single arrow. If not given, then how to approach that I will tell you in the next models. Okay. So note down this first part, then try to do the second part. Second part also somebody tried, but most of them wrong. Okay, I will explain, but you can give a try. You can change your answers after listening to this explanation. Okay, let's solve the second question. Second question is different. Why? Because here you are given with base. What you are given with? You are given with base. So the procedure will be somewhat different. Okay. So for pH and for acid, pH can be maximum up to 7. pOH for base, pH can be minimum 7. Okay. So here answer cannot be even less than 7. Okay. Question is about here 0.005 molarity calcium hydroxide. So CaOH whole twice gives Ca2 plus 2OH minus. Okay. So this is 0.0005 0005. Okay. After that, this is going to be 0 and 0. Now, after this complete dissociation, this is 0, this is 2, this is 0.005. Here it will be 2 into 0.0005. Okay, 0005. Understood? So, when you multiply it, concentration of OH is equal to, on multiplying, this will become 0.001. Is it correct? Understood? So this is OH minus. Okay. Now H, this can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3. Now directly we cannot apply. If we apply the pH form, if we apply, we will get POH. Okay. Here I will tell you two procedures. Okay. So first you can find out POH. POH is equal to negative log of 10 to the power of minus 3. You will get 3. Okay. So if POH is equal to 3, pH will be how much? 11. First procedure, is it understood? With the OH, what I have determined? I have determined with the OH, I have determined POH, which is equal to 3. Okay. But question is about pH. So pH is 11. Most of the students are writing answer as a 3. But don't forget, it is a base. This is the concentration of OH. For pH, we require concentration of H plus. Is it understood? Now you can change your answer. pH is equal to 11. Okay. Now here next other method is, if OH minus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3, H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 11, because on multiplying these two, I should get 10 to the power of minus 14. H plus into OH minus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14. So this is going to be pH is equal to how much? 11. pH is equal to 11. Both method, whichever method you are comfortable, you can use. From OH you find out H plus, then pH. Otherwise, first find out POH, then find it with the pH. Is it understood? So note down this, then you can solve. I think third one is very easy. Note down this and try third part. C part is very easy, so let's move fast. Understood? NaOH. NaOH gives Na plus OH minus. Okay. So directly I am writing, this will be 0, 0. After reaction, this is going to be minus 3. Okay. So this is also going to be minus 3, because this can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3. So POH is equal to negative log of 10 to the power of minus 3. So pH is going to be 11. pH is 11. Okay. So is this part, C part, clear? pH is 11. Then fourth part, I am taking it as a H3PO4 is a tribasic acid. Which acid? Tribasic. So H3PO4 will give 3H plus PO4. PO4 3 minus. Okay. So this is 3 into. So here it is going to be 3 into 3.33 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. So on multiplying this, you will get roughly 10. Okay. So pH is equal to negative log of, this is 10 to the power of minus 2. So this is going to be 2. pH is equal to 2. Is this clear? Okay, fourth part answer is D. Sorry, D answer is 2. pH is equal to 2. Okay, next question is another question, different variety. Find where pH of solution prepared by dissolving 0.02 grams of NaOH in 2 liter of solution. 2 liter of solution. So here you are given with mass of solute and volume of solution. So with that you have to find out molarity. Okay. Then you can think about what pH. First molarity. Molarity formula is mass upon molecular mass divided by volume in liter. Okay. Molarity is equal to 0.02 divided by NaOH molecular mass is 23, 16 and 1. That is equal to 40 grams. Okay. Whole divided by 2 liter. Okay. So how much you are going to get this on simplification? Anybody can? 0.01. Okay. Divided by how much it is? 4. 0.01 divided by 4. 0.001 divided by 4. Is it correct? On simplification, how much I am getting? Okay, 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Is this correct? 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 or 10 to the power of minus 4. What is the correct answer? 0.01 divided by 4. 0.001 divided by 4. Okay. So it is going to be 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, minus 4. 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay. Now POH I will get. All of you have to be very careful. If base is given, I will get POH. Provided there is no H plus here. Okay. So there is no twice or thrice are there. If twice will be there, then I have to multiply it with twice also. Okay. POH is equal to negative log of 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay. So 4 minus log 2.5. 4 minus how much it is? Log 2.5. Okay. So this is going to be 4 minus. It is see here. Log 2.5 it is there. Log 3 is 0.4771. Is it correct? Log 3 is 0.3010. So this value is going to be somewhere in between. So I am taking roughly 0.4. Okay. I am taking how much? Roughly 0.4. Okay. So accordingly, if it is 3.6, roughly I am telling you. Understood? So in the examination, you will be given 3980. Okay. This is 3980. So this is going to be how much? 4 minus 0.3980. 3 point how much after subtracting 3.602. Okay, 3.6020. So this is POH. So pH will be 14 minus 3.6020. So this is going to be 10 point nearby 38. Okay, 3810 or 3820, something like that. So 10.38 is sufficient. Answer is 10.38. Okay, note down this. Okay, next question, write down. Find mass of sulfuric acid in 500 ml of a solution, 500 ml of solution with pH is equal to 2. With pH is equal to 2. Find mass of sulfuric acid. Find mass of sulfuric acid in 500 ml. In how much? 500 ml of a solution with pH is equal to 2. Okay, now listen carefully. Here, this is a different model. If pH is equal to 2, concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 2 molarity. Understood? But there is a twist over here. H2SO4 gives 2H plus SO4 2 minus. Okay. So here if it is, let us suppose X molarity. Okay. So this will be 0. This is 2X. 2X is equal to here 2X is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2. But we want to find out mass of sulfuric acid. So molarity of sulfuric acid is equal to how much? 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 molarity. Is this understood? Okay, don't worry. I will tell you. Let just wait. Okay, how it is it understood? Why it is 1 by 2? Concentration of H plus is twice of the concentration of sulfuric acid. That's why this is 2 multiplied. Okay. So actual concentration will be half of the initial one. Actual concentration is going to be half of the initial one. Okay. So now I will write it here. So up to here 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 we can write 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molarity. Okay. So this up to here it is clear. Now I will use the sulfuric acid molarity formula. Okay. So molarity is equal to mass upon molecular mass divided by volume. If it is in milliliter, multiplied with the 1000. Okay. So here molarity is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Mass is the one which we want to find out. Molecular mass is 98. Volume is 500 into 1000. Okay. So now it will be mass is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 98 into 500 divided by 1000. Okay. So these two will get cancelled. So finally 5 into 9.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. So you can multiply this 5 into 9.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 grams. Guru Charan, you got it? 49 where it is? Why 49 into 5? Everywhere I am taking 98 only, no? So this 5 only, acha, 2 more 5s. Okay, okay. Okay, some calculation mistake is there. Here, one more 5 we are left. So this is going to be one otherwise 5 into this can be divided as a 4.9.8 divided by 2. Okay. So 4 point how much I will get? 953. Okay. Is it correct? 48 by 2. 98 by 2. How much we are getting? Okay. On simplifying this way, you will get 0.245 grams. This is a simple just mistake I have done. This 5 divided by 2. Okay. Answer will be 0.245 grams, I hope. Okay. Next write down how many grams of calcium hydroxide need to be dissolved to prepare 750 ml of solution with pH is equal to 12. how many grams of calcium hydroxide need to be dissolved to prepare 750 ml of solution with pH equal to 12. So this is another model of a question. Here pH is given, and that too you have to be very careful. Base, that too what, diacidic base. Okay. So if pH is equal to 12, I think now you can understand for bases what you have to take, POH. For base what you have to take, POH. Okay. POH will be 2. So if POH is 2, then OH minus is going to be 10 to the power of minus 2. Up to here, any doubt you can ask. Okay. Especially new students, beginners. So if you have any problem, kindly ask to me. Okay. 10 to the power of minus 12. How much it is? 10 to the power of minus 12 is the answer. Now, just now I told you calcium hydroxide concentration will be half of this. So 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. How I am doing, is it understood? If you have problems somewhere and you are not asking, you are not getting it clear, then the future is going to be full of doubts. So then and there, kill the doubt. Okay. So 0.5 it is. So it will be 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. This is concentration. Now mass. Molarity is equal to mass upon molecular mass divided by volume in liter. Okay. So directly I am writing slowly. If you are doing the first question, then second question will be short enough. So here it is going to be 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Mass is the one we want. Okay. Calcium mass. It is 34. Okay. 34 plus 40. It is going to be 74. Am I correct? Okay. 74 is a molecular mass into 0.750. Directly I am writing as a liter. Okay. So mass will be 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 74 into 0.75 into 0.75. Up to here, is it clear? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 74 into 0.75. Okay. You simplify this, then you can understand. So answer I am getting is 0.2775 gram. Is this clear? So after doing one or two questions, your speed must increase without losing the accuracy. Okay. Okay. Next question. If degree of dissociation of weak acid HA is 50%, okay, is how much? 50%, 50%. Find pH of its centimolar solution. Okay, here it is centimolar. Okay, molarity is given HA. Okay, HA, see here, degree of dissociation is not 100%. So we have to write reversible sign. H plus plus A minus. Okay, so this is 1 0 0. 1 minus alpha, alpha and alpha. But here concentration is C alpha, C alpha. Okay. So we should look after the H positive. Okay. So H positive, concentration of H positive is equal to C alpha. And C is centi means 1 upon 100. Centi. Okay. Milli means 1 upon 1000. Centi means 1 upon 100. Molarity is 1 upon 100 into alpha is 0.5. Okay. So we can write it as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Is that okay? Any doubt into this? Any doubt in this? Okay, so pH is going to be 3 minus log 5. Okay, so 3 minus log 5 is 0.6990. So it will be 2.3010. Answer is 2.3010 is the final answer. Note down this. Okay, next question is find pH of semimolar acetic acid solution. Semi-molar acetic acid solution whose dissociation constant is 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Dissociation constant is 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, see here. In the pH of solution, semi-molar. Okay, semi-molar means molarity is equal to 0.5. Molarity is equal to how much? 0.5. And Ka, dissociation constant, C. In the formula, we will substitute as a C. Okay. So Ka is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5. What is given, is it understood from the question? Now, pH. For pH, we require concentration of H plus. So CH3COOH reversible CH3COO minus plus H plus. Okay. So this is one. Already I told you, this is either C alpha concentration or square root of Ka into C in the Ostwald dilution law. In the Ostwald dilution law only I told you either C alpha or square root of Ka into C. So as I have written separately, therefore it is easy to identify formula. We got Ka and C, so we can substitute here. So pH is equal to negative log of H plus. Okay. So negative log of, in place of H plus, what I can write? Ka into C to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. So this will be minus 1 by 2 into log of Ka into C. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 into log Ka is given. This you can substitute here. And C is given 0.5. Okay. So if you substitute, then you will get the answer. Okay. So if anybody done like this, final answer I am writing it here. So question I think everybody noted. So I am writing final answer. pH is equal to negative log minus 1 by 2 into log of, okay, log of 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 0.5. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 into log of 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Minus 4 or minus 6. Minus 6. Okay. So like that you can simplify this. You will get the final answer. For me, this is the final answer. pH is equal to, so minus into minus, you will get plus answer only. That is not a problem. Okay. So you note down this. So on simplifying, 2.5229. All of you are getting same. Okay, note down next question. If degree of dissociation of weak base is 20%, degree of dissociation is 20%, molecular mass is 40, find mass in 250 ml of solution with pOH is equal to 4. Okay, see here, I am explaining, listen now. 20% degree of dissociation is how much? 20%. So alpha is equal to 0.2. Okay. Molecular mass is equal to 40. So pOH is 4. And you have to be very careful, weak base. Okay. So weak base, suppose BOH. Okay. If not given dibasic, then you can take it as a BOH. So reversible B plus plus OH minus. Okay. So pOH is 2. That means OH concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay. So molarity is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4 and molarity is equal to 10 to the power. So directly you can take here only. Okay. So 20% C alpha is equal to how much it is? 10. C alpha is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay. Concentration of base we have to find out. Okay. So C into alpha is how much? 0.2. is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. So C is equal to what? 1 by 2. 1 by 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So how much we can write it as? 0.2, 1 by 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4, 1 by 0.2. Okay, this is concentration. Now, from this, we have to find out mass. Okay, so molarity is equal to 1 by 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is equal to mass we want divided by molar mass. How much it is given? 40 divided by 0.250. Okay, so directly on simplifying, you will get mass is equal to 40 into 0.250 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 0.2. So on simplifying, you will get final answer. Okay. On simplifying, we are getting 0.005. Is it understood? So these are the some different models of the pH, basic questions. Okay. We have studied today about the pH, how to find out when percentage dissociation is given, percentage dissociation of acid, base, complete dissociation, mass given, molarity given. Okay, different model we have covered. Okay,